So I got a new delivery from Heritage Wheel. I thought I would unbox them in front of my 350Z drift car. First of all, some cool Heritage Wheel decals. Let's start unboxing. I just dropped this, but oh my god, it's so cute. It is a keyring of the Heritage Kokoro Mono C wheel. That's a really cute detail. So thank you Heritage Wheel for sending me that cute little keyring. What is this? This is so heavy. What is this? I don't know what this is. So it's the new Heritage Wheel Kokoro Lug Nuts. I'm so excited to actually use these. I didn't realize they'd be sending me some. That's really amazing. That's so cute. Thank you guys. So these are the Heritage Kokoro Mono C wheels. I use these currently on my drift car. As you can see, I needed a replacement after a little lawn cat incident at the drift comp. So I needed some replacements and these guys were so amazing that they sent me some more. So thank you so much Heritage Wheel. Make sure you check out Heritage Wheel if you are in the market for some new wheels. They have some amazing unique designs. If you really need business, check out Heritage Wheel.